Start. Counsel for the petitioner relied on the decision of Pradeep Kumar Supra for allowing the petition stop, but learned single judge was of the opinion that order of conviction became final by the order of the High Court, and hence he cannot be acquitted in a petition under Section 482 of CRPC, and doubted the correctness of the above decision with the following observation. Stop. Passage. The legal effect of allowing his petition by invoking the inherent power of this court would be to efface the conviction entered and sentence passed by this court in criminal revision petition number 67/2000, which in the normal course could have been interfered with only by the Supreme Court in appropriate proceedings. Stop. Apart from the fact that the consequence which is sought to be avoided by the accused is not one flowing from the proceedings of an inferior court, the course now sought to be resorted to appears to be impermissible in the light of the decision of the apex court. Stop. Moreover, a reading of subsections 4 (a), 4 (b), 5 and 6 of section 320 CRPC would indicate that compounding can be had only in a pending proceedings and with the permission or consent, as the case may be, of the court, even if the offence is one compoundable without the permission of the court. In the case of offences falling under subsection (2) of section 320 CRPC, the very fact that those offences can be compounded only with the permission of the court would suggest that some proceedings should be pending before the court when the request to compound the offences is made and entertained. Stop. A proceeding which has culminated in a final order cannot, in my view, be revived by filing a compounding petition. Stop. Passage. In Sandeep Kumar's case, this court has considered two petitions. Stop. In one case, after confirmation of conviction by this court in revision petition number 1540 Stop. Criminal miscellaneous application number 8626/2006 was filed for compounding the case. Stop. Later criminal miscellaneous case number 65 was also filed under section 482 of the CRPC for compounding the case. Stop. In the next case, after confirmation of the conviction under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, writ petition number 6 was filed to compound the case. Stop.